Hello all, welcome to my channel Learning Oasis. In today's video, we are going to see a simple trick of how to convert a PDF file into a editable Word file. And the catch is we are not going to use any online converter. We are just going to use the MS Word to directly convert a PDF file into a Word document. So let's see how to do it. So before getting started, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe it. So this is the PDF file I have. I have about 24 pages in this file. So normally, if you're trying to convert this, you will usually go to a online converter and then upload this file and then try to download it in the form of a Word document. But instead, we are going to use this simple trick. So I have a Word file open. So I will go to the file menu and then click on open. Now what I will do is I will go to the location where the PDF file is there and then just drag it and put it here, and then you will see a pop-up message. Hit OK. So it will take a while, a few seconds. So here we go. So the file, the PDF file that we had is now converted into a Word document and it is completely editable. So without using any sort of an online editor, you can use this. This is the most secure way, because when you are uploading a confidential document to an online editor, there might be chances of data threat, but this you're purely using your Microsoft Office that is installed in your computer or laptop. So this is highly secure. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you all.